Hey guys, welcome back to How To Guide. So in today's Instagram tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the action block error on Instagram. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So now let's get started with the video. So you might be facing some problems like this action block problem when you're trying to follow or unfollow someone or send someone a DM, like or comment on posts. You might get this kind of action blocked error. And this might happen if you're using some third-party app to increase your likes on and followers count on Instagram. If you're using any of those apps, this might cause some problem to you because Instagram does not allow third-party apps to increase followers and like count like that. And if you're also spamming someone with likes and DM, and if you're continually following and unfollowing someone many times consecutively, Instagram might find it irregular and they might temporarily block your actions. So this is why you might have this action blocked error being shown, and try removing those third-party apps to increase likes. The first step would be try to remove those third-party apps and try not to spam someone, and they will temporarily block you, and this might go on for 24 hours. If this does not go, try first logging out of Instagram first. Try logging out and logging in of account. And then what you can try to do is reset your password. This might show Instagram that you're actually an active person using your account. So try to reset your password. And if this does not help you, go to your settings and go to help option. And then you click on report a problem. So click on report problem, and here you will type out. So you can write here, you cannot perform actions on Instagram, and you get shown this error, and also upload the screenshot of the error from your gallery and click on submit. And once you submit this error, Instagram will get back to you solving this problem for you. So this is how you do it, guys. This is how you solve this error on Instagram right now. This is all you can do. Again, if you're using any third-party apps, try removing them because Instagram really tries to actively block such accounts. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.